So I got this 2013 Ford e350 Super Duty. This is a school bus body. So we're gonna change out the starter. So basically, AutoZone said there's two types of starter. I guess you got a small one and you got a big starter, because I wasn't really sure which starter was it, so I just did both starter. So just once I remove the old one, then I can match it up with the one that we'd like to see which one really fit. As you can see, it's two different size starter. So if you're gonna, I guess, just carry the picture of the VIN number, or I should say the whole picture of the information that's in the door jamb for it, so you could get the right starter, because I think it's go by the year, like probably from, this is a 2013, I think it was like manufactured in January 2013. So it could be like the 7 of 2013, so that probably make the difference, like the months would make the difference. So once we remove the starter, then we'll match it up to see which one. As you can see, I'm working on the grass here, so I have this board right here. I can fit underneath there without the jack. I just need a little bit more room, so I just put the jack there to reach to the starter. That's the starter right there. So I've got some, this engine oil, transmission oil. Yeah, got some oil leak underneath here. Alright, so that's its starter. I guess it's got 3. And this is the grounds. Oh yeah, the grounds with a 13. Alright, that's a 14 nut. So there's 3 bolts. One right here, one at the side, and one above.